Your entire life is controlled by one instinct, and you don't even realize it. You think survival is just about food, water, and shelter? Wrong. Your brain is wired for social survival just as much as physical. That's why rejection hurts like physical pain. That's why embarrassment feels like death. This is day one of decoding human nature. In ancient times, being outcast meant you wouldn't survive. And guess what? That instinct is still running your life today. It's why you fear public speaking. It's why you hesitate to approach strangers. It's why you care what people think, even when you know you shouldn't. But you're not in a tribe anymore. You won't die from rejection. The moment you realize this, you break free. The moment you stop chasing approval, you start living.